Hello everyone, welcome to the August 2019 Happy Mail haul. I am way behind on getting things filmed. It's been a little bit crazy and this is like not straight, so it's bugging me. There we go. Okay, so this is cards sent by you guys to my P.O. box during the month of August. So let's just dive right into it. So I have this fun one from Gloria. And so our grand adventure begins. Love like the compass and the little like Viking. I just think that's so cute. So cute. Even like a little bit of washi tape added to the back. So much fun. So that one from Gloria. And then I've got this one from Susie. And I got a kick out of this because she always usually includes, she's the one that includes like just little funny like quotes and stuff on the back. So yeah, I don't have ducks, I don't have rows, I have squirrels and they're drunk. Very true. So yeah, I thought this was just really cute. It's like thanks a bunch, like Brady Bunch. So creative. So creative. Just love it. So we've got that one. And then I've got this one from Laura. And I actually have two. One was for July and one was for August. So they showed up before after I filmed the July one. So this one was for the July theme. Really like beach theme, bright, colorful. Love the blue. Love the blue. So got that one. And then this one for August. Really like that glitter paste. I like the two different colors. I never do that, like do different colors using like the same stencil or whatever, but use different colors on the same card. I like that a lot. So yeah, the flower stamped on the inside. I love that more people are doing, adding just those little bits to the inside. So I got that one. And then I've got this one from Stephanie in Germany. So yeah, really the die cut and then like inlaying with like crystal glaze. It just gives it that extra something. Like it makes it look kind of like stained glass. And then she even did it on the envelope as well, which I thought was really cool. Like, I've been showing you guys that. Like, I love that you guys decorate the envelopes. But I'm always fascinated by things like that are adhered onto envelopes and they make it here. There are times that other things will catch and like things will be ripped or whatever, but 99% of the time, everything comes through no problem. Which I just think is really neat. So there's that one. And then I've got this one from Marianne in Sweden. Pretty sure this was also meant to be a July. Yeah, this was a July one. Again, things took their time getting here, as always. That's also why I'm not a big stickler with the themes for each month. I do have themes. Everything is in the description box below if you're new to the challenge, etc. It's listed in the description box, and then all the info is on my blog, which is also linked directly below. But yeah, I'm not a huge stickler on the themes because things can just take longer to show up here. So yeah, really like this. I really like how he did the sand. Like, I'm not 100% sure what that is. Like, if it's just embossing powder, but it's just a neat way to do it. So yeah, really cute. Perfect blending. It just, very, very just bright, beachy. Love. And then same with this one. This one is from Marianne. Yeah, this was also from Marianne. So, really, really cute shaker card. Love. Love the like splattery, Distress ink water background and then creating this into a shaker. I just think that's really, really cute. Yeah, one was for July, one was for August. So, really cute. So this will be more, this was the August one, like that thank you theme. It's not fun. I can always just sit and play. So we have that one. And then this one is from Donna. Just really, really pretty, like, florals, a little bit of bling. I really like the soft colors. And then just adding, I can take that off there. Just adding, like, that little border to the inside. It just gives it that extra little something. So got that one. And then last but certainly not least, this is I think this is meant for the September Happy Mail haul because it's like kind of back to school theme, etc. But that's what the August theme is. And this is from Carla. And like cute little like back to school theme. This I think is adorable. So she made this like little backpack. And it opens just like so. Isn't that fun? This is so cute. So cute. And adorable. Isn't that adorable? And you could like slip a little note in there. So creative. You guys always knock it out of the park every single time. So thank you. Thank you all for taking the time to send in cards. Huge thank you to my patrons. I've had a lot, like more people than usual lately asking like, what do I do with the cards I make? I send them to my patrons, which for all my patrons watching, cards are coming. I am like so behind, it's not even funny. I have them all stacked up, starting to like address everything, etc. But yeah, huge thank you to my diamond patrons who are just a huge help in me continuing doing what I do. And I like doing this every month, just showing what you guys make. Like I always say, no skill level needs to be achieved or anything. I've had some people comment and say like it's intimidating, which I totally understand. But yeah, I just like showing what it is that you guys are creating. And so many people love seeing that too, instead of it all just being me, me, me. So anywho, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you guys have any questions or just want to leave some love for those that have sent things in, leave that in the comment section below so that they can read them and respond to them, etc. Like, just such a nice little, you know, corner of the interwebs where everyone is just positive and happy, and I love it. So that is it from me for the moment. I will be back soon with more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next one. Bye!